What is up everybody, welcome into this new video of Tech Express. In this tutorial, let's take a look into how to fulfill orders using Zendrop. So Zendrop is a global dropshipping application that works with Shopify. So what you need to do is to install the Zendrop first in order to continue with the order fulfillment. In my case, what I just did is to went to applications, hit into add applications. I went down here into the Shopify app store and look out for Zendrop. Now, just in case that you don't see Zendrop available into your country, that means that this one is not available yet, depending on where you're actually currently at. But you don't have to worry about if the actual Zendrop does not work into your country, because there's a bunch of other dropshipping suppliers, like for example CJ Dropshipping, Visors, and much more. With that being said, now that we do have the Zendrop, let's hit into add application. And once we hit into add application, what we wanted to do is to sign up here into the Zendrop. And once you have your actual account, you're actually good to actually get started by adding some products with your actual Zendrop Plus. So the very first thing you wanted to do in order to make the fulfillment of an order is to figure out which is the product you want to make the actual fulfillment. So what I wanted to do is to import a few products into my actual list. Let's say for example I want to add 3 of them and hit into import it to my actual store. So I'm going to go into got it, hit into confirmed, and then my product is going to be automatically added. If you wanted to change something about your actual product, like for example the name, the product tags, the prototype, the collection, the description, the variants, all the images, you can do that in here, or you can go directly into your Shopify, go into your products, and into the product section you get to see that this product has now been listed. So I can click here, and this one should be taking me into what is the media, the description, or what I wanted to actually change. So for example, I can change the price, I can change the availability, I can change more variants and whatever. So as you can see now, my product is now been listed directly from Zendrop. What is left to be done is to actually make the order fulfillment. What I want to do first is to make sure that this connection between the product from Zendrop and the Shopify is now been correctly listed. So I'm gonna go here into Zendrop. You wanted to go directly into your imported products, and here you wanted to look out for the product. As you can see, here it is. Now it says by Zendrop fulfillment. So as you can see, there are a bunch of products that are not able to be listed yet. But as you can see, this is the actual product that has been now connected into my store. As you can see, we do have the added to store available into the upper side. Here, as you can see, we do have the SKU, the color, size, product cost, shipping, and total. So that means that if I go into sample and order, you wanted to choose a plan in order to continue, of course. So in my case, since I'm using a free plan for the next 7 days, we wanted to go with the actual orders. Here into your orders should be appearing the product that you have just added from Zendrop. Of course, this order should be sent here into the Shopify. When someone makes an order, it should be appearing here where it says orders, and this order automatically will be sent directly here into Zendrop. So as you can see, we do have the view all orders. You should be seeing your auto order here. It says order fulfilled. We have 0 of 25, of course, because we are only able to have 0 of 25. And then later on, we do have the auto fulfillment section. The auto fulfillment section is going to be helping you to do these automatically, and we didn't have to click into the order that was sent from Shopify, make the fulfillment manually, and import the data, approve the order, and whatever. So you just go and focus into auto fulfillment, enabled it, and then you're actually good to go. In my case, once again, I am not able to do this because I only have a free plan. So this free plan is not able to actually move orders to access. So this free plan is only available to access a lot of the products to have support, and I'm pretty sure that will be almost it. But with the new Pro version, we do have a lot of unlimited orders. We have the automated fulfillment. So this one is going to be helping you once again in real time without having to match names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. Turn it on and let our robots do the work for you. So that means that manually, what we do have to do is to import. We have to match the names, the address, the phone, and the numbers of our suppliers, of our actual customers that signed into our actual Shopify store. So later on, I'm going to be showing you just a few tricks that I can give you if you wanted to pay for the Pro version, but you don't want to pay $49. You wanted to have an actual great deal depending on what you're actually selling. focusing to need help, ask a question. And here, what I wanted to do is to type an actual message that says, let's go for contact support. I'm gonna hit into the enter mark. We have the send button. And then what I wanted to do is to move here where it says submit a request. So into submit a request, what I wanted to do is to look out for the section says product issue. You have to impose your actual email address. In my case, I'm gonna scroll here, it says copy. I'm gonna be pasting that in here. And the subject, I'm gonna import something like a request for a discount demo. So into the description, what you wanted to do is that you want to upgrade to another subscription, but since you are actually quite new, you don't know how this actual place works, and you wanted to get a one-time subscription discount to try out the application inside Shopify. What you want to do now is to paste your Shopify URL. And it's really important that you have filled this as much as you can your actual online store, so they can be considering you to give you a discount code, so you don't have to pay for the actual full price of the actual Zendrop. And that would be actually pretty much it. The last thing that you want to make sure is that I have now my catalog been enabled into my store, so I can start making some order fulfillment. In my case, I do have this clothing set of yoga, which is $55. I do have the size, I do have the different colors, I do have the add to cart. I wanted to go into the customize, and later on I'm going to try to buy it now or add it to the cart so I can get started with my actual order fulfillment. If this one is not available into your actual web page, that means that we needed to have an actual paid and active plan into your Shopify store. If you have a trial version of Shopify, this one actually just won't let you to continue, because we need to have an actual plan in order to enable payments to receive money and to enable our products, even though this one is dropshippers and we already connected between one and another one. So I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can get whatever plan you wanted to, and you're going to be paying only $1 for the first 3 months, which I think is really an amazing price. So check it out. What is the actual benefits of each plan? Try it out for the next 3 months and figure out if this one is actually working for you, or if you may be trying to stick around with the free version, but at the end of the day is your actual own decision. With that being said, guys, I think we have now reached into the very end of the video, so hopefully this was a very useful information. I'm too sorry, guys, that we don't have an actual Zendrop premium plan available for you to show you, but I think we have now we covered the basics of how you can make the order fulfillment from your Shopify directly into Zendrop. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools about this actual Zendrop, some other dropshipper suppliers into Shopify. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the actual next video.